Welcome to our series of video lectures about public services. My name is Stefania Baroncelli and I am Professor of Public Law at the Free University of Bolzano. Together with my colleague of the University of Trento, Fulvio Cortese, Professor of Administrative Law, we came up with the idea of producing some video lectures for our students on topics of common interest. This is part of a teaching project funded by the Euregio with the name Euregio Mobility Fund. Its aim is to improve the cooperation between the universities, so the University of Trento and Bolzano, and to enhance the interdisciplinary approach to public services in teaching. This is why our colleagues from the Department of Economics and Management are also involved in the project. We decided to analyze some public services that we thought to be particularly relevant for our students, that is, public services in general, social services, water supply, electricity, health systems, and public transportation. Each video includes a short talk given by different experts. They answer the same question using different perspectives. So we normally have one economist, followed by a lawyer, and in some cases one professional with practical expertise. We hope that these videos will be useful to improve your knowledge of public services, as you will understand the notion of public services is complex and multifaceted, and political decisions, taken at different levels, play an essential role. In fact, each state has a different idea of what public services are, depending on its tradition and culture. This is an experimental learning project, and of course it can be improved by your suggestions and constructive ideas. If you have any, please send me an email at stefania.baroncelli@unibz.it.